In this example, I want to show how an if statement in Calc can be used to control the contents of a cell. This is kind of like a shipping invoice. We have three items: t-shirts, jeans, and socks. There's a quantity column, and you can see this person bought 3 t-shirts, 2 socks, or 2 jeans, and 4 pairs of socks. The price is $9 for the shirts, $21 for the jeans, and $5.50 for each pair of socks. Extended amount is simply the quantity times the price for each amount. So you can see for the t-shirts, I multiply the quantity column B4 by the price column C4 to come up with $27, and it's the same for the other 2 items. And then the subtotal is simply the sum of the 3 extended amounts, D4, D5, and D6 for $91. I have the formula preset for the total, which is going to be shipping plus subtotal, and our task is calculate the shipping costs. Now, shipping is calculated such that if the total is less than 100 or subtotal is less than 100, shipping is $25. If it's $100 or more, shipping is free. So we can use an if statement to calculate shipping for us. So if we type if and open a parenthesis, now it wants us to enter the test. And the test is the subtotal less than $100 or not? So we can put in the subtotal column is D8. Is D8 less than 100? And that's our test. If it is less than 100, we want to put the value in of what happens if it is less. If it is less, we want to put in an amount of $25. If it is $100 or more, or if it's not less than 100, we put in 0, so shipping is free. So we have the test. Is the subtotal less than 100? If the answer is yes, what value is the shipping, or how much is shipping? If the answer is no, what is the shipping amount? So if the answer is yes, it's $25. If it's 100 or more, the answer to the is subtotal less than 100 is no, it's 0. I close the parenthesis, hit enter, and you can see in this situation, $91 is less than 100, so we're going to charge $25 for shipping. If we want to see what happens when it's over 100, I can take jeans. I'll just change the quantity of jeans from 2 to 4. So 4 times 21 is 84. Subtotal is now $133. That's more than 100. So shipping is 0. And then if we change this back to 2, it goes to $91 and shipping becomes $25. So you can see if the subtotal in the if statement, if the subtotal is less than 100, let's charge $25 for shipping. If it's more than 100, we'll charge $0 for shipping. And this is an example of how the if statement can be used to control the contents of a cell, making for a flexible spreadsheet based on the contents of other cells.